to see some cool animals.
That's right, sweetie. Today we're going to focus on invertebrates. These are animals without spines.
Wow, that sounds like fun. Let's go. Shut up.
Crikey, that's a big spider.
Crikey, that looks awesome.
But don't forget, Bindi, that we won't want to be too close to it because it might lash out and attack.
But it's so pretty. I just want to give it a big hug.
Well, don't forget to be cautious.
So this is an invertebrate?
Yes, Bindi, the scientific name is Invertebrate Bindi. It lives in South American rainforest where it is very marshy and swampy.
This spider may seem scary to some people, but it never hurts things larger than itself, so people don't need to be afraid.
This beauty eats frogs, insects, and rodents. It sneaks up on its prey, administers its deadly bite, and then it drags its food to a safe place where it can eat it, and then it injects liquefying juices and slurps it right up like a smoothie.
Crikey, that's
That
awesome!
was some recap what we learned about Goliath tarantulas.
The scientific name is Invertebrate Bindi, and they live in the rainforests of South America.
These spiders, which are the biggest in the world, eat mainly insects, frogs, and rodents by injecting them with a liquefying juice and digesting them.
Additionally, the Goliath tarantula moves by crawling or walking on its long legs.
These are truly some amazing spiders, Brody.
They really are,
Time
Alex.
to keep exploring.
You're right, Bindi. Let's look for some more cool animals.
Crikey, what's that? It looks a little bit like a tiny snake.
No, silly, that's just a little earthworm, not a snake. Its scientific name, though, is Lumbricus terrestris. When worms have moist soil to live in, they can better find their dead organic material, which is what they eat.
Thank goodness we have them to help clean up the dead animals and plants.
Thank goodness. Notice how worms use their stomach muscles to contract and retract in order to move along?
Crikey, I never knew worms were so interesting. Why don't we head down to the water and find some cool aquatic animals?
Well, it sounds like fun, Bindi, but today we're focusing on animals without spines.
I guess that means no crocs today, huh, Mom?
Yeah, no crocs today.
Wow, is that a blue crab in the water?
I think it is.
It really is. This is a cool animal because it can live in so many places.
You're a smart one, Bindi. That's right. Blue crabs can be found in deep water or shallow water, salty or fresh water. They just like to live at the bottom.
And they can eat a lot of things too, like animals and plants.
Definitely. They are omnivores, which means they can eat smaller fish, smaller crabs, clams, mussels, oysters, sea lettuce, and eelgrass.
I really like how they walk. Weird. Sometimes I like to walk that way too. Well, I think that we have time to talk about one last creature today. Crikey, I think I found a great one. I found a blue apple snail.
You're right, Bindi. We're lucky to have found these because typically they live in the Amazon River system in countries like Bolivia, Peru, Paraguay, and Brazil.
Crikey, just like earthworms, they eat dead things too.
Right, except the blue apple snail only eats dead plants, not dead animals. But they also like artificial fish food. They will never eat a healthy plant unless nothing else is available.
They move like earthworms too.
Crikey, right again. They contract and lengthen their body too. This layer of muscles is called their foot and they move slowly using it.
This is another awesome animal to learn about. Crikey, I had a ton of fun exploring with you today, Mom.
Well, I had lots of fun too, finding lots of invertebrates.
We got to meet a Goliath tarantula, an earthworm, a blue snail, and a crab.
That's right, Bindi, and they all have no backbone.
Well, thanks for watching the show today. See you next time when we get to explore some more awesome animals.